I can confidently say this is the best clear case for the iPhone X or iPhone 10 depending on how brainwashed you are. So let's check it out. We've seen this name before, but for a different purpose. Previously to protect your iPhone underwater, this one is designed to protect it above water. They designed an impact truss system, which is a pattern along the interior edges, and packing it all into a clear case to minimize the amount of case required. Before installing any clear case, always wipe down your dirty iPhone first, and give the inside of the case a Swiffer as well, because I know you got greedy and touched it all up in there too. Installation is the easy part, simply snapping the corners in place, and the first thing I noticed that can't be avoided in glossy clear cases is the fingerprint magnet around back. It can get pretty annoying to constantly wipe it off, but if you have clammy hands, it's just something you have to live with. The buttons don't stick out and are simply a textured spot on the edge, although they are surprisingly easy to find and have a great clicky response. The mute rocker is their signature turn dial, which means no more fiddling with trying to reach the mute rocker under the case. Some users have noted that it turns too easily on its own, but I found it pretty difficult to do with one finger. It almost always requires two fingers to spin. Due to how slim the case is, the camera around back cuts it close to the case, and it's kind of hard to tell, but the black rubber edge does roll over the clear back to prevent the clear back from scratching up when laid down as well. Cutouts are at the bottom, although fairly deep, it's wide enough for most cables, and of course it's still wireless charging compatible. The case is quite slim, with most of the thickness coming from the lip around the screen. It slides in and out of pockets without an issue, no matter how tight they are. And I do want to remind everyone that this case isn't designed to be waterproof or dustproof for your iPhone. Although your iPhone is water resistant already, just don't go deep sea diving with this case on. I personally love how it feels in the hand. The slim profile combined with the flat edges allows my fingers to actually grasp onto my iPhone properly. It reminds me of the good old iPhone 5 days. The clear back has a dotted pattern within it, presumably to help with hiding fingerprints and scratches, so let's see how well it does with that. For the most part, not bad. It's when I dug in with the corner that it really shows. And from a distance, it seems the dotted pattern does hide most of it, or I'm just under some really bright light. However, the case is designed for its drop protection. Just note that it doesn't cover your screen or include something to do so. The thick bezel around it does a great job on flat surfaces, but I highly recommend you pair this with a screen protector like the patchwork silicate I reviewed earlier. The impact truss system is a pattern interior meant to cushion an iPhone's drop, and they do include a lanyard cutout which would solve all your drop problems if you have the discipline to always throw it around your wrist. If you have your own lanyard, you can use that too. Just make sure it's strong enough to withstand an iPhone being thrown around. But let's be real, you probably won't wear one and you'll have to endure all of this. Now remember, that 3-meter drop resistance they advertise, even they admit it's only for corner protection on the box. So don't go crazy smacking this around everywhere. I figured with such a bold claim, I had to do a concrete drop test. So, from about chest height, corner drop, let's do this. So far so good. Let's do a few more. About head height. One thing to remember is it doesn't do screen protection. It does say so on the packaging. It's mainly just corner protection, so it does live up to that claim. I highly recommend you add a screen protector on, because any sharp edges, even the salt right here, could have done some pretty bad damage to the screen. So, one last one. Yeah, it's pretty good. But in the end, it's a very comfortable case to hold thanks to the flat rubber edges, a functional mute dial, a thick lip around the screen, and some solid edge and corner impact cushioning. Just remember though, please throw on a screen protector as well. I personally love the Catalyst waterproof cases, and the new slimmer impact protection cases are no exception. For the amount of protection you get in such a small package, it's actually on par in value compared to other tough cases out there. That's it. A big shout out to Catalyst for sponsoring the cases and review. It's a huge support for what I do on this channel, but I had complete creative freedom, and all opinions expressed are from my own brain. As always, don't forget to check out my new store linked below for accessorizing merchandise along with old accessories that I no longer use and you can pick up at a bargain price. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a comment below letting me know what case you want me to review next. I rest my case.